Let's do this. Okay. I'm going to show you this process from the end because I already had to recycle the old battery. So this is the new one. First, dimension, all the dimensions, the height, the length, the width is the same, so it will fit my machine. The battery that was on this machine when I bought it used, the battery was pretty much dead, was of course 12 volts, 62 amp hours, so a little bit more of capacity. 6 to 1 is just fine. But look at this one also. This one has 600 amperes. The old one had 540. So I have even stronger battery to start up a diesel engine on my machine. So this is fine. Let's mount it. JCB 8018. This is a mini excavator. So we have mini space here, and the battery will be found on the right side of your machine at the bottom of, like, under the bonnet. This is the space. At the end of it there is a little hook for your battery to hold on, and then on the other side we're gonna mount another one, like another mount. I'm gonna start with just cleaning these screws and putting some lube on them. The battery was put in with the minus side outwards, so I'm doing it in the same way. If you're gonna not remember it, just make a picture before you disassemble anything. I'm making sure that the battery is not squeezing, pushing on any pipes. Cool. You can slide the battery back a little bit in order to have just easier access to both plus and minus side, and then let's put it back. Now we'll fasten the battery. 16mm socket wrench. Now we have two mounts for the reservoirs. This one is the one you don't have to remove. That's for the cooling liquid. And let's put that one back. You see, it slides in its place right here. And here's the second one for the wipers liquid. This is the front shield wiper liquid. I'm gonna connect the pump and the pipe. You just can't do this wrong. Okay. Ta-da! We've done it in the reverse order, so you know you need to remove those things in order to get the access to your battery, because this is mini excavator. And don't you think, maybe I won't remove this mount? You do need to do it in order to actually remove the battery. So you will remove this one first, the washer, and you will disconnect the pump, you will disconnect the pipe, then you remove the mount, then you slide up the reservoir for the cooling liquid, for the coolant, and then the battery slides closer to you, plus, minus, remove, done. But will this thing start? No problem, baby. See ya, guys.